yo te quiero ya, ya no esperes.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and today we are starting round 2 of the Porto vlogs. I was here back in February, as you would have seen from the first 3 vlogs. I think I'm going to daily vlog as I did back then. However, I'm going to be putting together a video at least to go on YouTube or just see how this pans out. This is Battaglia Square right here, very famous square in Porto, and this is our hotel, Move Hotel, with our view looking right out over it. Very nice room and very nice hotel, but the view is excellent. Yeah, anyway, we're about to go explore Porto, just wander around, take some pictures and stuff. So let's get going. I'm also extremely tired because it is Friday, yeah, it's Friday right now, and I haven't had a night where I've slept more than 5 hours since Saturday or Sunday, so it's building up.
Ya saben bien, mira diablita y cara de bebé y en faldita baila, baila, que los otros baila, baila, porque ella es mi bebé, no hay nada que hacer, un show privado, te quiero ver en faldita baila, baila, y en 2 horas caiga, caiga, todos son iguales, pero yo no, te rompen el cora, pero yo no.
I'm currently shooting this on the Sigma 1735 f2.84, a new lens I just got. So it's my first time vlogging this, seeing how it comes out on full frame, and it looks really good. We've been wandering around Porto for the past hour or so, just finding convenience stores, getting stuff like sun cream that we need, and we came by this really nice Portuguese food place with very Portuguese food. So we're going to head back there in a moment, get some Portuguese food. I'll show you that one there. See what that tastes like. I don't know what any of it is, but it'll be an experience trying it. I have here some Portuguese food. I think it was called francesinha or something like that. I have no idea what it is. I'll Google it in a bit and find out. Possibly put it on the screen, but I'm going to eat it and see what it is and then rate it at the end. Turns out it's like a sandwich, so it's got meat in it, and then it's got ham and egg, obviously bread, and then with like a cheese topping and then that sauce around it.
I just switched it off completely.
So we've made our way down to the riverside now, which I've never been to on this side of the Dom Luís Bridge, which is just over behind me over in that direction. Haven't really seen the river here, so we're going to walk along, explore. I've never even been to the other side of the river, so maybe that's something we could do soon, today or another day. Shooting some photos, travel photos, stuff like that, street photography, which is really fun. I'm shooting on the 16mm f1.4 Sigma lens with the L mount, like where it's my only native L mount lens. Really good, 1.4, nice blurry background. Starting a trial run of it, my first day shooting on it properly. Really impressed by it. Yeah, Porto, it's quite hot, 21 degrees, sun on you and the back on. Definitely better than coming in June or July though when it's 35 degrees. I said the same when I went in February, but it's nice coming when it's 17 degrees. It's not loads warmer than then, but it's definitely more summery. Yeah, I'd recommend people to come about this time of year at the end of April, start of May. And look, there we go, Dom Luís Bridge up there. So we spent a little while just walking around by the river now. Up there behind me is the Dom Luís I Bridge. I'm going across when I'm vlogging. It was designed by Mr. Eiffel, the guy who designed the Eiffel Tower. Very famous bridge, you would have seen him in my other Porto vlogs. We're probably going to start heading back in the general direction of the hotel now. Might go around the Clericos Tower area and just explore a little more before and just going back to the hotel, and I don't know what we're doing for dinner later. Yeah, enjoy some street photos of the centre of Porto that I've taken this afternoon.
Ricky Baker, yeah, baby, ¿qué quieres el lambón? Si la caga una vez, la caga dos. Te da sexo pero es sin amor. Es como un perreo sin reggaetón. No hay sentido, ahora tomas porque te ha dolido. Pero ya que tú me ves con otros ojos, baby, deja ese estrés.
Very embarrassingly out of breath, but we scaled the entire cliff face up about 1,000 steps. Now at the top of the Dom Luis Bridge, which we're about to go and walk across. Definitely want to come back here again to shoot sunset sometime. However, we're going to go on it now, take some photos, because it's kind of en route going back to the hotel. I'll go back to the hotel and figure out what we're doing from that point onwards.
Ya lo prende y ni tose. Baby, vete como mexicana, bien carnal, un poquito sano. Y vaya que nos calentamos. Hice una pelis pa' cuando chingamos. ¿Te acuerdas de ese motel? La primera vez que probaste weed y pasamos como debe ser. Primer en cada el primer masaje. Ya sabes que nos vinimos a la misma vez. ¿Te acuerdas de ese motel? La primera vez que probaste weed.
Fight in Porto going viral.
Hiya, Hakim.
Y pasamos como debe ser. El primer en cada, el primer masaje. Tú sabes que la clave deja ese estrés. Que después de las 12 te vas a olvidar de él.